how she plays basketball. Right, go, Nati, keep quickly. 1, 2, 3, stand up.
Hey.
And may I have one gentleman, please, for goalkeeper. You want to try?
George.
Take care of yourself. Everyone look at elephant play football. Excuse me, you want to take off your sunglasses first? And then, oh, still we need not ready now. They eat it out like this, yeah. Okay, ready now. Nothing, eat. Oh! One more time, one more. Lucky. Every time, the testimony.
George, this is on?
Maybe elephant dream.
Yeah.
Alright, Nancy, let me try again. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Kick.
Oh.
Elephant winner. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you, sister.
Oh, my glasses.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright, this is a little bit show. So right now we'll take over the baby. The baby
Good, she
that
was
we
running
show you
towards me.
our demonstration how to walking by 3 legs. So when they have broken leg or one leg get hurt, how they take care of the other leg. Yeah, they can walking by 3 legs like this to the hospital. This is for sure. Good boy. Lucky boy. Candy. He has on the right leg. And follow Gan and Nati. Good boy.
That's a cute one in the middle.
Alright, and after now, they will climb up on the stairs, yeah, to play gymnastics show. Or they have a small area, yeah, they will show you how to standing by 2 legs for control the body. Baby can do. Alright, please prepare the camera, right? And look at next. Now, Gong will we stand up first, and Gan, and Nati. Oh. And one more time. Just Nati just turn around.
No, on the head.
Gong and Gan will show sexy bomb again on the stage.
Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you. Understand language. We look at the lucky one, have shown you how to, we teach them to know how to correct some belongings back to the trainer. So they can remember, yeah, good memory. Yeah, they know how to take it back to the trainer after, yeah, the trunk, like a game. It's big things, small things.